Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. The last class we saw about the lesson 1, isn't it? So what is the topic of this lesson? So this is my India. So this is the topic of this lesson. I hope you all learn this lesson. So in this lesson we saw about neighbors countries and political divisions and locations of India, isn't it? Okay. Today class we are going to see about the fill-ups from this lesson, and the first one, India has the dash sea on its west direction. So the India has India has covered three side on water bodies. India has covered three side on three water bodies. In this question they are asked, in west direction, which sea covered in our country? So India has the Arabian Sea on its west direction. So in the west direction we can see the Arabian Sea. Arabian spelling is ARABIAN, Arabian Sea on its west direction. The second one, the dash form a natural boundary in the north direction. So natural boundary means it is created. It is a natural creation, not an artificial creation. And so which is a natural boundary in the north direction? We can see Himalayas. So the mountain Himalayas is located on the north directions. So the Himalaya spelling is HIMALAYAS, Himalayas. Himalayas is located in the north direction. And the third one, dash and dash are the neighboring countries in the south side. So each direction in our country covered with some other. In India is covered with the India has so many neighboring countries. In south direction, what are the countries are located? So first one Sri Lanka, and the second one it's called Maldives. So Sri Lanka spelling is SRI, Sri Lanka, LANKA, Sri Lanka, and the second one Maldives, MALDIVES, Maldives. So these two countries are located in south direction of our country. And the fourth one, there are dash union territories in India. So what is the meaning of union territories? Union territories means that the particular place it's undertaken, or that particular place directly ruled by central government, not state government. That particular place, so that place directly ruled by central government. So that is called union territories. So in our Indian countries, how many union territories are there? So in our country, totally 9 union territories are there in our Indian country. And the fifth one, India is divided into dash state. So India is divided into how many states? So India is divided into 29 states. So India is divided into 29 states. So again I am repeating. India has the dash on its west direction. So India has the dash sea on its west direction, Arabian Sea. And the second one, the dash form a natural boundary in the north direction, mountain Himalaya. Dash and dash are the neighboring countries in the south direction. One is Sri Lanka and another one is called Maldives. So these two neighboring countries is located in the south direction. And the fourth one, there are dash union territories in India. So 9 union territories in India. And the fifth one, India is divided into dash state. So India is divided into 29 states. In our Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu also one of a state in our Indian country. So dear students, learn this 5 fill-ups and write one time in your homework note. Thank you.